In previous videos, we discussed about types of soil. Now we'll study about soil erosion. What soil erosion is? Erosion means the transportation of land particles from one place to another with the help of moving air and water. Due to erosion, the quality and fertility of soil gets deteriorated. In other words, the faster transportation of particles of the surface land to other place by natural forces. Natural forces means air and water. It takes many years to form the upper layer of the earth. If the soil particles are carried away because of heavy rain or by stormy wind, the agricultural production decreases. It is extremely necessary to maintain this upper layer for agriculture. So the soil erosion should be prevented. Students, in this picture you can see the erosion of the soil. Here there is a picture of eroded air. Due to that soil, fertility gets reduced. In India, every year a huge land area gets eroded by natural factors like flood, cyclone, etc. Measures to prevent soil erosion. Control the grazing activity on the land because due to grazing, upper layer of land gets eroded. Second, plantation should be carried out in contour method in slopy regions because plant trees having binding capacity of soil particles. Third, plant trees in fallow land. Fallow means barren and wasteland. Construct check dams where there are streams so that by these dams water can be supplied in those areas where there is water scarcity. Cultivate very deeply in the field to reduce the speed of water. Now we'll study about soil conservation. Soil conservation means how the quality of soil can be improved so that soil fertility can also be improved and our agricultural production can be increased. Movement of soil particle from one place to another place called soil erosion. Due to that, the quality of fertility of soil gets deteriorated. In the soil conservation, we will try to improve and we will study those methods by which the soil quality can be improved. Soil conservation means to prevent the soil erosion and to maintain its quality. Soil conservation is directly connected to retain the soil particles at their original place. Different remedies are used at different places in the world according to its location and problems. If the soil is not conserved, then there are chances of floods which enhances the risk against lives and property. Thus, soil conservation is very much necessary. Remedies of soil conservation. There are some remedies by which soil can be conserved. The roots of the trees in forest cover hold up the soil particles. So, plant more trees. Plant trees in the river gorges and on mountain slopes. Third, a series of trees should be grown near a desert region to prevent the wind with more velocity. It will stop the advancing of desert. The river flood should be controlled by diverting their flow in other rivers or in dry river beds. The unrestricted pasturing loosens the soil layer on the mountains. It should be prevented. Methods like horizontal cultivation, terrace farms, etc. should be implemented. Humus content should be added to the soil which has lost its fertility. By implementing these remedies, soil can be conserved. Our government is trying hard to improve the productivity of the land, so we all have to work hard. Now students, this is the exercise given in your textbook and you have to do only detailed answer questions and brief answer questions in your notebook. This is your homework for this chapter as well.